Hello everyone! So recently I started making stickers and I thought it'd be fun to show my creation process. I'll also talk about all the different supplies I use to create them. So let's get started. As I'm talking, you'll be watching me work on one of my sticker designs. It's a little cartoony octopus. It was inspired by an octopus I made out of polymer clay. When I decided that I wanted to create stickers, I was really overwhelmed by how many different kinds of sticker paper there are. There are just so many different kinds, and I spent hours researching what kind of sticker paper I wanted. Sticker paper can also be kind of expensive, and I was looking for something that wasn't super expensive. For me, the sticker paper needed to fit the following criteria. 1, it needed to be compatible with my HP Envy 4500 inkjet printer. It's a pretty standard printer, nothing too fancy. Because my printer is an inkjet, it doesn't like super glossy finished paper. The ink will kind of just smudge right off of it, at least according to what I read online. My printer also doesn't like super thick paper. It gets jammed easily, so I needed something on the thinner side. 2, I also wanted something I didn't need to cut by hand. I really like the look of stickers that are custom cut, but scissors really hurt my hands for some reason, so I wanted something that wouldn't require a lot of cutting. And what I found is that I wasn't looking for sticker paper, what I wanted was label paper. So before doing research, I never thought about using label paper for stickers, and it seems to be quite a bit cheaper than buying sticker paper. The label paper I decided to go with was the 2-inch round labels by OnlineLabels. The ones on Amazon only come in packs of 100 sheets. You can buy fewer sheets from the OnlineLabels websites, but the price difference wasn't very big once you included shipping, so I decided to order on Amazon. I was a little nervous when I decided to order these because if it didn't work, I would be left with a lot of sticker paper. But thankfully it does work, so I'm really happy about that. So now that we've discussed the paper I'm using, let's talk about the design process. I'm working digitally in Clip Studio Paint. I create a square canvas. I then create a circle in the middle so I can get an idea of how the design will be once it's in a circle shape. I also have a white border layer with a circle cut out of it so I can see what the design looks like as a sticker. When working on my designs, I do color the full square because when laying out my stickers to be printed, I want to allow a little bit of extra color outside of the sticker area, so that way if the print is a little bit off, I'm not left with white space on the sticker. The next thing I'm going to talk about are color profiles. One mistake I made when I was first designing my stickers is that I had my workspace set to an RGB color profile instead of a CYMK color profile. Now, RGB is used in digital displays, so when working digitally, I often work in RGB, but printers print in the color profile CYMK. CYMK displays colors differently than RGB, so when I printed my pictures, the colors were totally different and looked really off. So now when I work on my stickers, I set my workspace to a CYMK color profile. That way I get a better idea of what to expect. So far, I have made 4 sticker designs. They are all themed around ocean creatures because it is currently Mermay. I have a fishy, a sea bunny, a narwhal, and now the little octopus. Now you may be wondering, why am I making so many stickers all of a sudden? Well, some of you know I have been on Patreon for a while now. So far I've only offered digital rewards like exclusive videos, illustrations, and podcasts. But now I'm adding a physical rewards tier and I'm super excited about it. I've wanted to add it for a while now. So for $15 a month, you can get 2 4x6 prints and 4 stickers sent to you each month. You'll also get access to all of the digital rewards. If you want more info on the rewards and how you can become a patron, I'll put a link to my Patreon page in the description. Now that I've finished my designs, I go to the template creator Maestro. When I bought the pack of labels from OnlineLabels, it also came with a free 12-month membership to the website Maestro, so you can use the templates and place your stickers. I import my images by going to the Image tab and clicking Upload New Image. Then I drag the designs onto the template and place them where I want. I noticed many of the reviews on Amazon complain that the template is really off and doesn't work. It's worked really well for me so far. One thing I have noticed is that for me, the designs do move up a tiny bit once printed, and I mean like a super small amount, So to combat this, I place my design a little on the lower side. That way when it's printed, it's where I intended for it to be. Once I'm happy with how the stickers are placed, I click print and then print now. Then a window pops up and I click download and print. This lets me download a PDF file that I can print from my computer. For the best results, Maestro recommends printing from Adobe Reader, so I will be opening the file in there. Once I have the file in Adobe Reader, I click the print button. Here are the settings I use to print. In the preview window, it looks like it won't line up and that it won't work, but it does work correctly for some reason. Then I click print and then the magic happens and we get stickers. And can I just say I'm having so much fun with this? I'm kind of fighting the urge to make myself a ton of stickers. Like I want to make Animal Crossing stickers and Zelda stickers and Haikyuu stickers. I want all the stickers. Before I end this video, I want to say thank you so much to my patrons, including Rachel, Andrew, Swinky, Nat from Academy of Games, Lucio, Robert, Tamalan, Pisatera, Ann, Eduardo, AJ, Nikki, Michael, Narichan, Dan, Panda Bear, Daniel, Dozar89, Aaron, and Patrick. Thank you so much for being a patron and for your support. It truly means a lot to me. Like I mentioned, if you are interested in getting these stickers and prints, check out my Patreon page. In order to get May's rewards, you need to become a patron before June 1st. After that, you will not be able to get these. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week in my next video. Bye! As I'm talking, you'll be watching me work on one of my... For me, the sticker paper needed to fit the following Before I end this video, I need the list of patrons. Cause I don't remember all the patrons. I probably should remember them by now, but I don't have a good memory. Unless it's about Zelda facts.